Evidence GI 7240202501AA1ABO2 video. Student José Andrés Bermúdez Vázquez. Class 2N34565. Teacher Javier Méndez. Technology in Agrobusiness Management, El de Porvenir, Agricultura and Technology Center, SENA. Introduction. Technological advances have profoundly transformed the world of work and education in recent decades. The incorporation of digital tools, process automatic and real-time access to information have generated new ways of working, learning, and communicating. Technological development has transformed various employment sectors, and private security has been no exception. Innovation has allowed this sector to modernize and become more efficient, benefiting both companies and operation personnel. Surveillance cameras, drones, motion sensor, facial recognition. Technological development has profoundly transformed the academic sector, generating changes in the way we teach, learn, and manage education. Education has become more accessible and flexible, strengthening both the work of teacher and student learning. Conclusion. Technological changes have been fundamental in modernizing both the workplace and the student work in the workplace. They have improved efficiency, security, and productivity while in the education sector. They have facilitated access to knowledge, transformed teaching, and promoted independent learning. In both cases, technology has made it impossible to adapt the new demands, optimize process, and prepare people for an increasingly digital and competitive environment.